Dear students, let's see another 2 questions for the NEET practice in physics on the topic physical world. Units and measurements. The heart of the wise teacheth his mouth, and addeth learning to his lips. So let's keep on learning and increase in knowledge. Our first question today is, taking into account of the significant figures, what is the value of 9.99 meter minus 0.0099 meter? A. 9.9 meter. B. 9.9801 meter. C. 9.980 meter. D. 9.98 meter. This question was asked in NEET 2020. What's the answer? Okay, let's see. Subtract the 2 values. 9.99 meter minus 0.0099 meter. You get 9.9801 meter. This answer is present in the option. But our answer should have the same number of significant figures as the least accurate number. So in the question the least accurate number is a 2-digit after the decimal point 9.99. So our answer should also relate to it as 2-digit after decimal point. Therefore the answer is 9.98 meter. So the correct option is D. Let's move on to the second question. A screw gauge has the least count of 0.01 mm and there are 50 divisions in its circular scale. The pitch of the screw gauge is A. 0.01 mm, B. 1.0 mm, C. 0.5 mm, D. 0.15 mm. What's the correct answer? Let's see the answer. Given, the least count of the screw gauge equals 0.01 mm. Number of divisions in its circular gauge equals 50. Therefore, least count equals pitch divided by number of division on circular scale. We need to calculate the pitch. So, pitch equals least count times number of division on circular scale. So, pitch equals 0.01 into 50, which is equals 0.5 mm. So the correct option is C. Hope you understood it. If not, retry again. Thank you.